Good. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. If not, I'll just yell. But really, on behalf of America Makes, the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Institute, and our 215 consortium partners, we want to congratulate Auburn University, and EWI, and MTC, and who am I leading? NASA, of course, NASA, on being able to put this significant initiative together. I have been in additive manufacturing for over 25 years, and I have seen this chaos of development that has been occurring, and this churning of new ideas and new capabilities and so on that's going on at an ever accelerated pace. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing because this primordial soup really generates a atmosphere of creativity, and we want to see that continue. But when we start seeing these technologies in additive manufacturing being embraced to be able to make products, we need to have some formality to it. We need to be able to start having the standards in place that are going to assure that the processes are going to be repeatable and certifiable, and the parts that are coming off are going to be able to go into our airplanes and our automobiles and all of, even, our pot handles, so that when we pick them up, they don't, come apart and burn our children. So America Makes has been very supportive of developing standards, and we have reached out to ASTM early on and to be partners as we drive forward in this, because we totally support this effort that's going on. And I want the community to know that by working together, we can all drive this forward. And I also want to say that I am honored and privileged to be part of the advisory group, and to be working with such an illustrious bunch of people, and we will be there, hopefully, to provide the necessary guidance as we go forward together to make additive manufacturing and accelerate it forward. Because as we say, when America makes, America works. So thank you.
Mr. Gale, if you'd like to come up, I'd like to introduce Frank Gale. Frank is from the National Institute of Standards and Technology. NIST, many of you know NIST has been a fairly significant supporter of Auburn's additive manufacturing programs, and we hope that's a very long-standing relationship that we want to continue. So, Frank?
Good. Yes, I'm Frank Gale. I'm at NIST, and I'm with the Advanced Manufacturing National Program Office, and that's the interagency group that has established Manufacturing USA, which is a network of 14 institutes, and we have to acknowledge Ralph as really the guy who figured out how to fly the airplane while we were building it. So we got the additive manufacturing up and running, so we were really just trying to figure out what we were trying to do. But it's a pleasure to be here and to see all of our past and ongoing NIST partners working together with EWI and Auburn, NGC, and NASA. John's been a key partner to the National Program Office since the very beginning, John Vickers. So it's great to be here. It's a powerful team working together on standards for additive manufacturing. At NIST, we like to say NIST is the Department of Commerce lab that our mission is to support industry in measurements, standards, and technology. And we like to say, once you know how to measure something, you know how to build it. But until you have standards, you don't really know how you want to measure it, and you certainly don't know how to communicate to your customers what you actually built and measured and are giving to them. So this is a very essential part to the whole world of additive manufacturing. And as I've said, it's been more than 25 years we've been ongoing. It's about time we get this, make some serious progress here. And it certainly looks from everything we've heard today that the program has been set up very nicely as far as having background science, and then the collection of the consortium from industry to ensure that really the standards that are developed are really beneficial to everybody. And we're really, well, in summary, I look forward to seeing the impact that the important impact that this Center of Excellence is going to make for the nation. So, thank you.
So our final guest to share some comments is one that I think at Auburn we would say we couldn't have any event without inviting a friend from GE. And GE Aviation locally, many of you know, has a strong presence. We've had a strong friendship and partnership with them for a long time. With us today is Ms. Christine Firsthoff. Christine is the Vice President for GE Additive. So we have both a relationship with GE Aviation and the new business that GE spun off, GE Additive. And Christine, we're so glad that you were able to join us today.
Well, thank you very much. And thank you for everyone for joining and for staying, because it's so important that we do join together. And that's really what my remarks are about, is about community. I'm blessed to work for GE. I spent the morning over at the Technology Park with watching Additive in work, watching us producing at the highest volume a single part in the world made out of additive that was done as a community with Auburn, as a community with our customers, as a community with our supply chain. And as General Electric, I have the pleasure of being able to see a technology used across multiple industries. And then in the area of additive, because we believe so much in it, because we believe that it needs to be driven in ways that we thought we had some of the skill sets with, we did purchase a company, which is the newest division of General Electric, called GE Additive, and we're based in Cincinnati, Ohio, which is where I am, and I act as Vice President and Chief Technology Officer for the company. But I know that we're not going to do it alone. We're not going to do it alone as one company. We're not going to do it alone as one user. It is about community, and that's what we're here for, to be able to join a community with academia, with industry, with government, to be able to drive. President Morgan earlier today talked about the fact that ASTM is committed to innovation plus outcomes. And you know what that is? It's a solution. And people are looking for solutions. And then President Lethe was talking about partnerships. And partnerships and the fact that it's multidisciplinary, it brings people together. And that's exactly what I see this COE as. This COE is a foundation for community. This COE is a foundation for solutions. And this COE is a foundation for partnerships. It brought us all here. It should keep bringing us here with our ideas, with our needs, because together we'll be able to drive an entirely new industry. So I'm thrilled to be able to be associated with this organization. I'm thrilled to be able to help to guide and shape, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you.
I have one little thing that I'd like to do. Mike Ogles has been carrying the football all afternoon. Not a literal football, but sort of the presidential football in a sense. We have a couple of gifts for our friends from EWI and MTC and ASTM, and I have to kind of squeeze them a little bit to figure out which one. Alex, where did Alex kit go? Where's Alex? Alex, it's not a tie. We'll find you a tie. And let's see.
Thank you.
And Catherine from ASTM.
Give it to Brian.
Okay. Well, Brian and Christine, we'll let you guys. Yours is a little bit different than Ben's and Alex.
Thank you.
But our
Thank you very
partners,
much.
we look forward to a long, healthy relationship with you.
Definitely.
Appreciate it. And I have one last gift for everyone. No more speeches.